Happy New Year, everyone! So, what's our first project going to be of the year? So, we're skipping forward 56 years. We're skipping forward to 2077. Yeah, that's right. The new game CyberPunk 2077 is out, and I really want to make like a sort of arm-mounted inspired weapon from that sort of game. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be making something arm-mounted that fires out missiles, fires out weapons, and looks futuristic. So the CyberPunk 2077 plan is, I've got this motor out of an e-scooter, so I want to mount that on my arm, along with the battery, the controller, everything to make this bad boy spin up. So I'm going to have that mounted there. I'm then going to have a few smaller wheels, like idle wheels, situated directly above this, and they're actually going to like make contact with this wheel. So when this spins, the top wheels will spin. And what I'm hoping is I can sort of like feed bits of metal and stuff into there as it's spinning up. It'll catch on both the wheels and shoot out. So I've done a few trial tests on this, really trivial. I've had it like sat on the floor, just holding a wheel above it, fed stuff through like washers, and things do fly out. So I'm not sure exactly how far they're going to fly out once it's all mounted, but that's something we're going to have to basically build it, test it, and see how it goes. So let's get this year started with a massive build montage. I've got nothing on me now, and when I come back at the end of this video, I'm going to have a full arm mounted weapon. See you in a bit. So, the CyberPunk inspired weapon is all but finished. I've got to say, it's bloody heavy. It's so hard holding it out and firing. You've got to sort of like rest it on something really. But it's all done in time for the new year. So I'm now going to test this out, see if it can fire some things out, see how good it is at firing bits out. And yeah, let's give it a go. Alright, let's fire out the bat symbol. Oh, let's load her up. And fire! There we have the first invention of 2021. So this is a CyberPunk 2077 inspired video. It's a video game where you basically upgrade yourself using robotics. So this is sort of what that's for. It's like a weapon made out of some weird mechanical bits I had laying around in the shed which can fire out projectiles. So you may have noticed in this video I've acquired myself a lathe. I'm going to be doing a future little review video on that. So that is really exciting. I've got the Warco WM180 lathe. So 2021, let's hope it's going to be a much better year than 2020. Please like, share and subscribe my content. And for now, have a good new year guys. See you in the next one.